Good morning, dear boys and girls of class 11ers. Here I am going to teach some of the built-in functions that will be helpful for you to convert the algebraic expression into Java form. There are some hundreds and thousands of built-in functions are there. Library functions, built-in functions, ready-made functions. Each author did call by a name. Here in your textbook, page number 159, page number 159, they are given a table. They are all called as, these are all the functions under a class called as math functions we call. Do you remember other day we did math.sqrt, math.pow, right? Variety of functions can be used. Now today I am going to do few of them so that will be helpful to you to convert from algebraic into Java form. What are they? Kindly refer the table which is there on page number 159. Math functions available through math class means there are some mathematical built-in functions or the ready-made functions are available for we the users can use them. For example, if I use math.sin x, if I give 40 degree, if I give x value is 40, what is the value of sin 40 it will give you? You need not to refer the table which is back of your every mathematics books. If you are class 9 and above, you will have a logarithm table, anti-logarithm table, sine table, cosine table, tangent table, everything will be there. They are pre-calculated and given a table, you have to refer them. So in this case it's not like this. If I want to know math.sine, your mathematics teacher must have taught you sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Reverse that one, it becomes cos. Reverse the sine, sine 30, sine 60, sine 45, reverse the sine, it becomes cos. Cos 90 becomes, sine 90 becomes cos 0, right? You must have taken. Then sine by cos is equal to your tan. There is a ready-made table you must be knowing, right? Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, your mathematics teacher must have. Reverse the table of sine, it becomes cos. Divide the sine by cos value, then it becomes a tangent value, and so on. Then you have a sine, cos, tangent, secant, cosecant, cot. Like this, many values are there. That is not under the syllabus of this computer science. Anyway, I'll tell you. Whenever you give math.sine means it gives the sine value. If you give math.cos, it will give the x value. For example, if you give 70, cosine of x will be given. Similarly, math.tan. Math.tan means it gives you the tangent value, right? Sine, cos, tan. These are all the trigonometric values. You can obtain it with a second. This is the function or a method which is under the class called as math. So M is an uppercase, rest all of them are small case. Math.sine, math.cos, math.tan and so on. Right? Similarly, other day I told you, I am going to be very selective today. Whatever you are going to use in class 11, there are quite a good number of them there. I will be teaching in class 12. Okay? Okay, A sine means sine inverse. A cos means cos inverse. A tan means tan inverse. I will tell you what you mean by inverse. Opposite of sine is called as sine inverse. Opposite of cos is called as cos inverse. Opposite of tan is called as tan inverse. That will all we shall see in the future course of time. Okay. Now math dot, okay, POW, P comma Q. POW starts from power, P to the power of Q. If I write math dot SQRT of x, square root of x will come. if I write math dot ABS of x, I'm sure most of you must have learned about it. This is called as two straight line. Beneath that, under that, if you write A, it's called as modulus A. What do you mean by modulus? It's called as an absolute value. Absolute value is always positive. It never ever carries a negative value. Here I go. So these are the functions which I am going to do. Use absolute value, square root value, power value. Then wherever you come across e to the power of x, like we have a fixed value called as pi, right? Pi has got a value of 3.141, otherwise 22 by 7, right? Wherever you write pi, what is the value you substitute? 22 by 7. Similarly, what we can do is, we can write wherever there is an e in mathematics or science, any of the science subjects, it's called as exp. You must write math.exp of x. These are the functions I am going to use it. Exp is for the raised e to the power of x. ABS is meant for the modulus. SQRT means wherever you come across square root, you must use SQRT. Wherever you have raised to the power, you must write p comma q, means power p to the power of q. This is tangent value, this is cosine value, this is sine value. Okay. Here in page number 160, there are some expressions have been given to you that you can convert them. Convert square root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the first question. What is the second question is? The second question is 2 minus y e to the power of 2y, okay, e to the power of 2y plus 4y. These are algebraic expression. Here is the third one. What is that called as? Cos of x plus tan inverse of x whole divided by plus x. This is the third one. Here is the fourth expression. What does the fourth expression says? The fourth expression says e to the power of x minus x. And the last one is this. P plus Q whole divided by R plus S raised to the power of 4. Here I go, boys and girls. I am going to convert one by one. Whatever is given under the square root or within the square root, you must use math.sqrt. What do you have? Math.sqrt. Right? A into A plus B into B plus C into C. Boys and girls, have a look. Math dot, because the whole lot. A into A is A square plus B into B is B square plus C into C is C square. This is one way of writing. There is another way of writing is this. Both can be written, nothing wrong. What is it? What do I write is math dot power of x comma 2 plus, every time you have to write math dot power y comma 2 plus math dot power of z comma This is not x square, this is a square, this is b square, this is c square. See, instead of a into a, what I can do is math dot a comma 2 means power a square, b square, c square. Every time there is a raised to the power, you must write. Every time. You should not write only once. So I have written here, I did not write, no. Wherever, every time raised to the power, you must write. This is a bit lengthier. Okay, there is a square on which you are recommended to use this. If you write, this is also correct, absolutely correct. This is also right. Okay, if it is cube or raised to the power of 4, I advise you to use this. Wherever you come across square, you better do it. Both are right. You will be given full mark if you write one of them. Okay, then the next one is, here I go. 2 plus y into e. Just now I told you, wherever you come across e raised to the power, e has got a fixed value, like pi has got a fixed value, 22 by 7. Like lowercase e has got a 2.718. 2.718 has got a fixed value. Whenever you come across e, you must write math dot exp of, what is there? 2 into y plus 4y, 4 into y. Do you understand, boys and girls? Now, here we shall see here what is the third one is. Here, cos x. Whenever you use the cos value, math dot cos of x plus a tan inverse. There are two of them are there in the table. One is called as a tan inverse. This function gives the angle of a tangent. Whenever there is a tan inverse, what you must do is you should do a tan 2. That is math dot a tan 2 of, what do you have? X plus x. And this one, as I told you, whatever whenever you write is called as absolute value. E raised to the power of x means what you must do is math dot abs. This is called as absolute value. We pronounce it as modulus. Here, e to the power of x means math dot, just now I told you, whenever there is a e, you must write math dot exp of x minus x. Please note, this is called as absolute value, this is e raised to the power of x minus x. Okay. Now, p plus q divided by r plus s whole raised to the power of 4. What you must do is math dot POW means raised to the power of 4, right? What do you have? You have r plus s raised to the power of 4. Please note, r plus s is there, whole raised to the power of 4. Okay? These are all the 4 of the functions. There are quite a good number of them. Some problems are there on page number 181. Please note, page number 181. I am going to do a couple of them. Okay, I will take the toughest one. We shall do right. There are 5 of them are there. Okay, 1, 2, the page number 181, question number 28. I will do the most toughest one. 4th and 5th I will do it. 4th and 5th I will do it. Stop this video, pause this video, copy down this. Okay? Boys and girls, pause video, copy down this. Right? I will do another couple of them. That is 5 of them I have done. This is algebraic expression whose equivalent Java form. Algebraic expression, equivalent Java form. Algebraic expression, equivalent Java form. 4th and 5th. Here I go 6th and 7th. I will do it. Right away, I will do the 2 of them. I will do multiples. Have a close look. Have a close look. Okay. What I do is, I will do 3x plus 5y all divided by 5x plus 3y minus 8xy divided by 2yx whole raised to the power of 3 by 2. The next one is, 7th one is e raised to the power of modulus 2x square minus 2x square minus 4x. I am going to convert this one slowly. The whole lot raised to the power of 3 by 2. First of all, we shall convert this. What we will do is 3 into x divided by, plus 5 into y. What is the denominator is? 5 into x plus 3 into y. So this whole divided by this minus 8 into x into y whole divided by 2 into y into x. The whole lot has to be, what you must write here? You must write here math dot POW. What you must write here? Math dot what do you find? The whole lot raised to the power of 3 by 2. Look at your number of closing parentheses and the opening parentheses has to be equal. In other words, you got to do the balancing job. One opening and closing, this is done. Opening and closing, this is done. Opening and closing, this is done. Opening and closing. This whole lot raised to the power of 3 by 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what 1 more has to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 openings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many closings are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 opening parentheses and 7 closing parentheses. So the balancing has been done correctly. Let's go to this. Whenever there is e raised to the power, you must write math dot exp. Math dot exp. Raised to the power, math dot exp. What you must do is, what is there? Again, here the modulus is there. Math dot abs of 2 into x plus minus 4 into, look at the multiples. This is what the absolute value. This is what is there inside the modulus? 2x square. 2 into x into x is x into x is x square. X square into 2 is 2x square minus 4 into x. So the whole lot is there in absolute value, whole raised to the power. So this is called as, wherever there is a lowercase e, you must write math.exp. Wherever there is a modulus,